Hi guys, I received a question from someone wanting to know how to reorder their fantasy football cheat sheet, and the question revolved around moving players up or down the list and then automatically renumbering the remaining players on the list. So that's what we're going to cover here. In this example, we're going to look at row 19, which contains Antonio Brown. In this example, we think Antonio Brown's underrated, and he should actually be in the 10th slot. So to move Antonio, the first thing we need to do is click on the number 11, left click, and then we're going to right click to insert a blank row. Now we have a blank row for Antonio Brown to go into. So the next step is to click on Antonio Brown's row, which is row 20. We're going to left click there. And you're going to right click and cut. Once you've cut, go ahead and left click back on the blank row, row 11. Right click or Control V to paste. And now we've moved Antonio up in the list where he was 18. He's now in the 10th spot. But our numbers are also out of order. So 2 more steps. We're going to left click on row 20. To highlight it, right click, delete it. And now you can see we have some numbering issues. We go from 9 to 18, and we also go from 17 to 19. Lucky for us, Excel has a cool feature. If you highlight rank 1 and 2 and look at the autofill handle, which is in the bottom right corner here, the green box. And right now we have a white cursor, and if you hover over the autofill handle, it'll switch to a black cursor. And if you double click that now, it'll automatically renumber all the rows. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do, is double click there. And as you can see, our numbers are all now in sequential order. And this works all the way down to the end of the data, which in this case we had 200 players, and they're all renumbered. So there's an easy way to renumber your fantasy sheet, and you can customize the rank of your players. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.